Hey everybody, we all know that one of the most important tools in the kitchen, period, besides fire, is a knife. And sometimes the knife is actually more important than fire if you're doing sushi. But whatever, we're not doing sushi today. Anyway, of course, knowing how to use that knife and using a knife to its best ability and letting the knife do the work, that's the key. Of course, y'all know I love my shun. So, how about I show you the best way to use a knife, and you probably shouldn't point it at people like that. That's not bad. Let's go ahead and let's go do some. If you just push down on the knife, all you're gonna do is smash the bread. Check it out. See how it just smashes that seam together? Pop bomb. Alright, now with the right technique, all I'm going to use is the weight of the knife to show you if you use the knife in the correct manner, it's going to slice basically for you. So what I'm going to do is hand it like this. I'm just holding the knife and pushing it forward. And it is slicing through the bread with just the weight of the knife. And that, ladies and gentlemen, gets you a superb cut. So with that smashing down, what you're doing when you're cutting your food, it's actually smashing all the cells, which is going to stop it from cooking at its optimum. It's going to hold juices in, it's going to keep it from cooking evenly, so many different things. But if you let the knife do the work, then it's so much easier on your arm, on your wrist, and everything else. Just let the knife do the work. But you got to get a good knife. Shun.